Adding a Zoom link to your Calendly events automates the scheduling process by generating a Zoom meeting link for each appointment. Here's how to set it up. Integrate Zoom with Calendly. Log into Calendly and go to Integrations from the main menu. Find Zoom under Integrations and click Connect. You'll be directed to log into your Zoom account and authorize Calendly to access it. Assign Zoom as the location for events. Once connected, go to Event Types in Calendly. Choose the event you would like to link to Zoom or create a new one. In the Event Setup, find the Location section and select Zoom from the drop-down menu. Customize event details. Add any other details relevant to the meeting, such as descriptions, questions for invitees, and availability settings. Save and share. Once Zoom is set as the location, save your event type. Now, every time someone schedules with you using that event type, Calendly will automatically generate a unique Zoom link and include it in the confirmation email sent to both you and the invitee. Test the setup. Book a test event to ensure the Zoom link is being created correctly and included in the notifications.